ChatGPT is changing the landscape of SEO, and here are the 3 things that you need to know to apply it to your real estate business. Number 1, will ChatGTP or other AI absolutely replace search engines? In short, no, and here's why. The first reason is that AI and chatbots are inherently biased because they scrub human-made information online. That means they can present misinformation, they can be racist, or they could just be biased. And the second point is that it's cost prohibitive. A recent estimate from OpenAI themselves says that scrubbing the massive amount of data sets that they have could cost anywhere up to $3 million per month. The second thing that you need to know about ChatGTP: can Google identify content generated by AI? And the short answer is yes, it can. In fact, Google is very good at detecting AI-generated content. As we've seen with the core update for helpful content, Google targeted AI-generated content pretty heavily, and across the board, we've seen very big dips in keyword rankings and backlink SEO juice coming from AI-generated content. If you want to use ChatGPT to create content and not be detected by Google, you need to, generally speaking, edit at least 20% of your content. And you can do that by slightly editing the headlines, by editing your own personal voice into the copy of the text. You could also make sure the text is relevant to your location or your niche, and you can speak to your target audience specifically. Those are all great ways to make sure that Google cannot detect content that's generated by ChatGPT. ChatGPT has the ability to create entire blog posts from scratch and almost instantly. However, the consequence from being detected by this is either de-indexing the page or completely removing your website from Google's index, making it non-searchable at all, or drastically reducing the amount of SEO equity that you get through your backlinks. So here are some things that ChatGPT can do for you and how you should use it. ChatGPT can be used to create titles for your blogs, meta descriptions. It can be used to create product descriptions, property listing descriptions. You can also use it to A/B split test paid ads, either on Facebook or on Google. And yes, Google explicitly says that ChatGPT can be used for making variations on Google Ads. And finally, you can use ChatGPT to create conclusion paragraphs to your blog posts. Oftentimes, this can be the hardest part about writing really engaging content for your audience. ChatGPT is an amazing tool that can really take your SEO to the next level if used appropriately. If you like this video or found it helpful and you want to learn even more about SEO, go to carrot.com/SEO to get our comprehensive guide on SEO for real estate.